Do you want to make the intro?
What is this? Is the intro?
Anyway, we're waiting for our other friends to show up because they left at 12:30. So we're just gonna chill here for a little bit until they get here. So cute. So like just like turn and Shaka. Hello.
Aloha. You should
We're in Japan right now. Hawaii.
I don't know if I have time for that.
Brunch. Aloha.
Deli with like, you know, like poke, and then like a little big.
Wait, you're not just like hyping.
Aloha.
Pose. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. We're taking pictures right now for another couple who was really nice to take our picture.
No, but I just really like that.
Wait, what is it? Mini Shaka?
Oh, it's like this.
Big Shaka. Big Shaka. Wait, add to it. Oh, wait, this is so cute. Aww. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we're going to Hollywood Town to get some lunch. Davina got a everything bagel and I got a tomato pesto bowl at this place, Green Road Coffee Farm. The coffee farm smelled so good, but now we're going to Hollywood Town. Okay, so now we're at North Shore Marketplace. We're here to see at Aloha Vintage Vibes to see Davina's products in store. Wait, that was so good. No, so good.
Here, have her hold the stickers.
Okay.
Oh.
You gotta show the stickers.
Entrepreneur. What are the beavers?
Right there.
Go
There
beavers.
you go.
Go Beavers. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is
I
so
might need your photo too then.
Really? Oh, okay.
Let's go outside by the sign.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, there you go. Okay, ready? Smile. Okay, gotcha. Aww, isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's so cool. How do you feel? I feel really good. I've never really seen my stuff in store, so it was kind of surreal, but I'm really glad that I caught that because I was like, oh, let's go check it out. So I'm excited. Can these people like move? What do you think? Why are they just standing there? What do you think your next steps for your business will be? I guess this summer I'm gonna reach out to more retailers on this side of the island because I haven't really touched Haleiwa yet, just like these two. Came out with hoodies. The thing that you want to do.
Oh.
You wanna go? Wait guys, it's Tara's house! Pee break.
Singing big time.
Good morning. Today I woke up really late. I think I was just really tired. But today I have to start shooting content and editing for Waimana. So I'm gonna go do that right now before I get lunch and whatever. Good morning. morning. Today is just another chill day, but I have work to do. But my sister wanted me to try this really cute cafe. So I was gonna go yesterday, but they closed at 2. So now I'm just gonna go try it. Say hello. So there's this. You just like open it above you. It's $21 by the way. Okay, ready? Cheers. Odd it does, but it's pretty good. You know the Neko Cafe, they also do like the bottled whatever. It was like $11 and I was like, it's like premium matcha from Japan, blah blah blah, and I'm like, first, camera eats first. Ah, yummy.
Take that long?
Are you gonna use that?
Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog here, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!